Nomaditsu.
Guys, big news. I just hit my first $1 in royalties from my AI music, and I wanted to share why I'm celebrating and why you should too. So as you can see here, I have two screenshots. One is from my first single that I released on January 14th, 2025 on DistroKid, and this is from my earnings dashboard on DistroKid on March 1st, 2025. And that's when I hit $1.30. And that was within 47 days or 1.5 months. So the speed at which I was able to hit this milestone is a whole other story, and I'm going to save that for another video, so don't forget to subscribe if you want to find out how I did it. But right now I want to focus on something that was actually bothering me. So as an AI music creator, I'm in a bunch of online communities to stay sane and be connected to the community, find out what's going on, and so we can support each other. They're great communities, and this post is no exception. So we have a post here that says, "Great news. I've made 0.94 in royalties. Drinks are on me." I'm not trying to call this out negatively. I know it was made in jest, but I also think that this is an opportunity to talk about owning our achievements as solo creators. Specifically, I want to talk about why going from $0 to $1 is a huge achievement. You might have heard of this book, 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. If you're in tech, you most definitely probably have heard of it. It's all the rage amongst startups and the tech scene. And if you're not familiar with the 0 to 1 concept, here's the rundown. So 0 to 1 represents the most significant leap possible in innovation and business. Why? Because it's creating something that did not exist before. This is the jump from nothing to something. And in this book, he points out how going from one to something is completely different from going from nothing to something, because 1 to, to X number, like 1 to 10, 1 to 100, 1 to a million, that is still just improving something versus going from 0 to 1. 0 to 1 is vertical progress. So you're inventing something versus 1 to X, you are in horizontal progress. So you're just improving something that already exists. So why is $0 to $1 a huge deal? So just like in a startup, when you make your first dollar, that is a pivotal critical moment, because before the idea, you just had theoretical potential. But as soon as you make that first dollar, you just crossed a critical threshold and you just turned potential value and proof that has real actual value. So this is tangible proof that AI music has real world value. And this transforms you from an aspirational creator to a professional who got paid for their work. And now this is a title you can legitimately own. And also around this principle, they talk about how the first dollar is the hardest to earn. It's much harder to go from $0 to $1 than it is to go from 1 to 100. I just wanted to refresh everybody's memories on this and bring this to light. Earning any royalties on your music, on your art as a solo creator, that is a pivotal moment that should be celebrated and you should own it. So here's a little meta moment for you. Another reason why we should own our achievements is creation is not an easy path. There's no guarantee of success. We might not get the support we need. People might not understand what we're trying to do, and we're venturing into the unknown. A lot of people will not take this path. And the funny thing is, the album that I created where I earned my first dollar of royalties is made of songs that kept me going when I was feeling defeated, and made sure that I didn't quit so that I could get to the $1 milestone. So I designed these songs to be like apps for your mindset. So if you're feeling low, you just press play, and it's like downloading empowering beliefs that are backed by real psychology, but it just feels like you're listening to cinematic pop R&B bangers, and it's effortless. So you're just listening to music, and at the same time, you're getting empowering beliefs. I still listen to it daily and whenever I need to pick me up. So wherever you are on your creator journey, I hope you'll give it a listen and that it inspires you as much as it has inspired me and continues to inspire me. And if you do give it a listen, please do comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on my music. The link is down below. If this resonated with you and you want to connect and get more on the creator journey and on AI, don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.
Nomititsu.